What's up, guys? So just finished up with the ammo mud on all the trim pieces on the Comanche. They were starting to get a little bit faded, so put that stuff right on, and it really does a really nice job. We'll see how long it lasts. I'm not expecting this to last for a super long time, but it definitely brought these back a decent amount. And then they also look great on the tire. It gives it like a new tire look without it being super glossy. So it gives it that deep black look, which I really like. So that's cool. Did the corners here, fenders, the flares rather, and then all the window trim here. This is all kind of looking faded. We got this all nice and black. These guys back here, as well as the rear flares there, that looks good. On the truck bed liner here, the top part, that looks nice. I actually hit the taillights with it, and it kind of brought it back a little bit more than it was. It was a little bit more faded looking. They still obviously need a full restoration, but not too bad. Then also worked on the paint there. I got most of the paint off. Probably gonna have to take a buffer to it just to kind of get the little bit of white ghosting that's kind of left here. So we'll buff that out, but yeah, makes the tires look really nice. But yeah, then I also did the wiper blades as well. Those were kind of looking faded, so we just hit those with some mud. I also like to use mud underneath in the engine on all the plastics in the engine, so I'll do a detailing video on cleaning the engine and then using that as well. But yeah, anyway guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.